Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Find your iPhone model and serial number in Settings General About and verify purchase date. Applecare requires it. Once done, make sure the phone is updated to the latest iOS and connected to stable Wi-Fi so activation checks succeed. You'll also need your Apple ID, password, and a valid payment method. This speeds verification and avoids delays. Now open Settings or visit Apple's website to begin enrolling directly. You select the Applecare Plus plan that matches your needs, comparing coverage, accidental damage excess, and monthly versus one-time pricing. Then follow the prompts. Verify the device by entering serial number or allowing Apple's automatic check, accept terms, and authorize the payment. If Apple requests a remote diagnostic, let it run. This proves eligibility. Make sure to read the cancellation and transfer rules. Doing so prevents surprises. Once authorized, the plan registers immediately to your Apple ID. You finish by verifying enrollment. Open Settings General About and check the Applecare status under Coverage to confirm start and end dates. Save the confirmation email and receipt for records because you'll need them for future claims. If the plan doesn't appear, retry the remote diagnostic or sign out and back into your Apple ID, then check again. If problems persist, contact Apple support. Have your serial number and purchase proof ready so they can resolve verification or payment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.